How to duplicate a Shopify store quickly. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to duplicate a Shopify store quickly. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for shopify.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Shopify. Now make sure you are signed in, and once signed in, on the left side toolbar you will see the option for apps. Tap on the Add Apps option under Apps. In the pop-up that appears, scroll down and tap on the Shopify App Store option. You will now see a search bar. Tap on that and type in Duplify and go ahead and install the Duplify application by tapping on the Install button twice. Once installed, you will be able to duplicate Shopify stores in just few simple steps. You will have to connect the stores. So tap on the Start Export button. Next, enter the details on where are you exporting data to. Enter the destination store unique key and notification email next, and choose the export options and further choose your plan, and finally tap on the export button, and this is how you can duplicate a Shopify store. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.